Finding articles on a consumer affairs topic. The best way to look for articles on a consumer affairs topic is to go into my research guides on consumer affairs. You can click on Research, Tools, and here's the link to the guide. This is a good idea because in your subject area, you can go to many different kinds of databases. You might need a more subject-specific database. And if you go to my Consumer Affairs Research Guide, you will see a varied list of databases. So I'm going to click on Find Articles Databases in my guide. And you see that there's many different kinds of subject databases. There's a couple of business databases. There's a psychology database, a sociology database, and there's also two databases, CQ Researcher and Opposing Viewpoints, that are really helpful when you're looking at a current event or current issue in the news. They will give you a pro-con approach to the topic, and they will also give you a chronology. They'll give you a bibliography on the topic. So they can be a very helpful databases for current issues and popular issues of the day. CQ Researcher and Opposing Viewpoints. But the database I want to show you right now is Academic Search Complete. And the reason I'd like to show this database to you is because it has multidisciplinary journals in it. So you know whatever your topic, you'll find at least something in this database. So when you start searching in a database, you kind of have a research question in mind or a research statement, and you want to find information about it. My research statement is, how does divorce affect children? So what I would do to start my research in Academic Search Complete is I would chop my research statement up into keywords, and I would throw the keywords into the database, kind of like a search party, to see what the database has on that topic. So I'm going to use the two keywords, divorce and children, and I'm going to type each word on a separate line. Divorce on the top line and children on the second line, and I'm going to click on search. So the next page that comes up, it's telling us that there are 6,696 articles on the topic. So we really want to narrow this down. And the most powerful way to narrow down your keyword search is by using subjects. And there's a couple of places that you can find subjects in Academic Search Complete. One place is in every single entry, there's a list of subjects. So now we know, hey, divorce is a subject. Children of divorced parents is a subject. You can also look over to the left and look at this link, subject thesaurus term. They're telling you that this is the controlled vocabulary that the database uses. You can also click on Show More and get a nice box in the middle of the page. Now you know that divorce is definitely a subject. Children of divorced parents is a subject. So if you use those two subjects, you'll create a really powerful search for your topic. But you can also see that custody of children is a possibility. Parent and child, families, all of this are possible subjects that you can use. So you can go back to the top here, type in the two subjects, use that drop down to change it to subject terms, and get a really good search. The other thing you can do to reduce your result list once you do a subject search is to take a look at all your source types. Maybe you only want to see academic journals, so you can click on the box in front of it and you'll only get a list of the academic journals that resulted from your subject search. You might also want to change the publication date. Maybe you only want the last 5 years or the last 10 years, and that's another way to refine your search and get a really good search.